Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to Financial Omniscient. Today Nifty opened in gap up at 15,776 and closed at 15,721. Out of 50 stocks, 33 are closed in negative and only 17 are closed in positive. And here we can see the top 5 gainers and top 5 losers. Even this top 5 gainers also there is no much movement, only a little bit 1.3% maximum stock raised. Okay, if you see in chart, it was opened in gap up, and initially there is a uptrend, and after that it is in consolidation state. But after opening this Asian markets, okay, the globally most of the global stocks are in negative, so that is the one of the major reason, and that leads to the Nifty went in negative trend completely, and finally it was closed at our support 15,700 nearly. Okay, uh, next for bank Nifty, it is flat opened at 35,001 and closed at 34,772. Out of 12 stocks, 11 stocks are in negative, only one is in positive. uh, in chart, even bank Nifty also initially it is in uptrend, and it took resistance at near to 35 to 50 as we told in our yesterday video, and from then onwards it is in negative trend. At last closed at 34,772. mm, and for tomorrow the support and resistance levels are like this based on OE data. First support is 15,600 and next support is 15,500. Even resistance levels are 15,800 and the next is 15,890. um, Even yesterday also we have discussed market since 1 month is in range bound within 15,600 to 15,900. So till market closed below 15,500, then we can have bullish view on market. I think today is the third day the market is closed in negative. uh, so we'll see uh, what happened tomorrow. And whereas for bank Nifty, the support level is 34,500 and resistance is 35,000. If the bank Nifty closed below 34,500, then we can expect there a big rally towards downtrend, because the most of uh, the call writers are in 35,500. Okay, and apart from this, today also most of the sugar stocks are in upper circuit. You can see, if anybody interested, they can uh, take delivery in this sugar stocks. They can expect around 50 to 60% gain within 45 to 60 days. And that's all for today. And if you like our analysis, please like, comment and subscribe our channel. uh, and this video is only for educational purpose. Thank you friends.